Even in the face of lightning that tears the heavens apart, there is no greater majesty than today. Secret art. Thunderclap. You can revive all you want. I'll just keep killing you! Over and over!
The quiet lake gleams in the morning sun, with not a ripple from any boats to be found. Secret art. Serenity.
He's honed his 5 senses to their peak. No, even beyond that.
You must have known they were planning to defect. Why did you let them escape? Not going to talk, are you?
It should have been obvious that becoming an exiled ninja would mean death. You brought this all upon yourself, Higan. You were a fool to ignore the code and scorn our cause! This never would have happened otherwise!
We didn't ignore it. Mari and I realized that no code or cause was worth following if it robbed us of our ability to love and protect the things we held dear. You once said the organization was the only place for you. But the two of us could never belong in that village.
Then why did you accept the pact that we made together? Why did you leave me on with all that crap? You betrayed more than just the village. You betrayed me!
I meant everything I said.
Enough of your bullshit! That design, I recognize it.
I did it to make sure that we never forgot you. We always wanted to go on that journey.
Shut up! You're just trying to trick me again!
I came to prove to you that what I believe in is right.